Can you please start this off like a really cheesy line to you?
So what's your idea?
Like the cheesy infomercials where it's like,
Go on.
you hate carving pumpkins and you're just like, and we'll throw it.
Do you hate carving pumpkins? Let's try that. Just throw it as soon as I finish. Do you hate carving pumpkins? Okay, just a little longer. Do you hate carving pumpkins? Let's face it, these little orange orbs of organic matter are just a hassle. Can you cut pumpkins on a CNC machine? Yeah. Actually, I'm not the first to do this. There's a lot of people who've done this. William Osmond did it, a bunch of other smaller YouTube channels did it. Why am I doing it? Well, because it's Halloween, and I'm currently working on a movie set that's not quite done, and so I can't really show you that. But I wanted to give you something, so first enjoy the beat that I just composed, which is kind of freaky Halloween themed, and let's talk a little bit about what it's like to try and CNC machine pumpkins. It's actually not that difficult to carve a pumpkin if you have enough clearance in your CNC machine, a long enough bit, and you stick with designs that easily transfer to a curved surface. Rather than trying to map my drawings to a curved surface, I instead just stuck with designs that I could set the depths to increase the further you went from the center. I did a honeycomb, a spiderweb, and an arc reactor. As I mentioned before, I am currently working on a movie set for a science fiction film. I am definitely going to be making at least one, if not two videos about the set pieces that I've been building. But since that project is currently in progress, I wanted to at least give you some pumpkins. Thanks for watching, consider liking and subscribing and all that good crap, and I will see you next time.